So hi guys, we're Team Tango, and for our project we created a Bluetooth-enabled wireless air pollution detector. Now this device has many applications. For example, it can inform the general public about pollution in the surrounding London areas. It can also be used as a tool for scientific research and support commercial projects for companies. Now in this video, we're going to run through the device and its uses and how it transfers the data to this web server to create a map and plot the pollution.
So this is the sensor module. It contains a sensor, a Raspberry Pi, a breadboard connecting the sensor to the Raspberry Pi, and a battery pack to power it. There are no external wires, so it can be left anywhere without the need for a power supply, and it will work. So as you can see here, this is the air pollution sensor. It detects air pollution from the surrounding area. And then the Raspberry Pi will receive a location from the app via Bluetooth, which Cindy will explain in a moment, and then it uploads it to the server when a Wi-Fi hotspot on a mobile phone is turned on. And Emmanuel will explain what the server does in a minute.
Okay, so here I have the Bluetooth app, which we use to connect to the Raspberry Pi via Bluetooth, and you use it to set the location. So if we set the location to Enfield, what you do is you type LOC space the name of the borough, which is Enfield, and here we have it, and then you press send, and that should send it.
So the data is uploaded to the server, where there's a Python script which processes the data into a map. So here we use the Folium module on Python to produce this map, where there's like boundaries. So here we've got the boundaries are separated, are made from the boroughs of London. So here we have Enfield, and so what would happen is that the data will come in, and the amount of pollution will be ranked here on this bar.
So to turn it on, we just need to connect the power, which you can do, you plug it in, then you click the power button on the battery pack in our case. There's a bunch of newspaper in there to make sure we can drop it and it doesn't matter. And now it will be uploading data to Barnet because that was the last one we did. And then if your Cindy changes the location now, which she's doing on the phone, your Cindy, do you want to come on the screen?
So it's connected to the Raspberry Pi.
And it's connected, and he sent it. And now we'll see in a second the data. There we are. See, look, we've got some Barnet data and some Enfield data. And as you can see up here, there's a scale. And so if we change it again to another thing, and then breathe on it, which will make the air pollution go up because our breath will have more pollutants in it than the air in the classroom. So now if you change it to Hackney, which Cindy will do now, and if we breathe on it, okay, now the data will update and that will be very red. It won't have sent yet because it only sends every 20 seconds. So we'll see it update again in a second. And now look, you see there's very red data for Enfield, which has got high air pollution. And so as you can see, this will turn on. It will receive a location from the Android app, and then it will upload it to a server via Wi-Fi hotspot on a phone, which will automatically connect to. And you can remove the hotspot, go away for a day, come back, and it will upload all of the data then, and it'll upload it to the server, and it will generate this map.